Have you ever woke up and you're running late and you really don't have time to make a quick meal and you still need to get something in your body? I'm going to show you a quick, easy oatmeal recipe.
If looks could kill, if looks could kill.
For today's recipes, the ingredients we will need are some protein powder. This one's oatmeal flavor. A little bit of peanut butter, some oatmeal. I'm using a 100 calorie Better Oats oatmeal. That's my favorite. Macros on that are amazing. Some chia seeds or chai seeds or whatever you want to call it. A little pumpkin spice and almond milk. Now this is my go-to oatmeal recipe in the morning just because it has all the macros I need in it. It has a little bit of protein, it has a lot of flavor, and it's super fast to make. So watch this. So first we're gonna do, we got a bowl, we're gonna put our oatmeal in there. Again, I use the Better Oats because it has low sugar, it's great. Now, instead of using water, I like to use almond milk to make it a little bit creamy. Now you might be wondering about measurements. The good thing about this, the bag itself has a measuring line, so you just fill it to the bag. So all you do, very carefully about dropping it. You open your bag and you fill it to the line. Add that. Next, I'm going to grab 1 scoop of protein powder. Add that. We're going to mix this all together nicely to incorporate the protein powder, and then we're going to microwave it. You're going to microwave it for 1.5 minutes exactly. At this point, before you even microwave it, if you start seeing it a little too thick for your own good, you can add a little bit more almond milk. For me, I like it a little thicker, so this is the right measurement, I guess, for me. So now I'm going to the microwave, and I'll be right back. All right, now it's out of the microwave. I'm going to give it a quick stir. Sometimes it does bubble up and settle. I want to make sure I get it all nicely mixed. We're going to start adding our ingredients. So first, I'm going to add a little bit of peanut butter, a little bit over a teaspoon. I'm going to stir that in, make sure it gets all mixed in nicely. The peanut butter is going to add that nice, richy, fatty flavor. Also adding a little bit more protein to your content. Next, add 1 tablespoon of chia seeds, chai seeds, however you want to call them. Again, mixing them up. The seeds add, again, a lot of protein and a lot of good fats. So as you can see, the bowl's starting to build up. You got protein powder, you got oatmeal, so you got the carbs, you got the good fats, you got a little bit of everything. Now my secret is the pumpkin spice. I love pumpkin anything, so pumpkin spice just gives it that little bit of extra kick to it. So I mix this up, and there you go. That is my breakfast oatmeal bowl, or whatever you want to call it. But it fits all my macros for the day. It's easy. When I wake up, like most people, I'm not that hungry, so I can get this in, go work out, come back, and then have a normal meal. So hopefully this recipe you find that works for you too, or you can modify it. You can add different stuff to it, but try it out, see what you think. As always, hit subscribe, hit like, hit the bell. Love you. Till next time.